What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this one I'm just going to show you how to edit a basic highlights video. If you want an advanced tutorial, just get 15 likes on this video and I'll make one soon. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So I've already done the intro on this. If you want to know how to do the intro, I made a separate video on it, which you can go and check out before you watch this video. So yeah, let's just get straight into the clips. So you want to create a video and audio track and then one more audio track underneath for your music. You want to put it in there. Now let's just get onto the clip. I'm only going to do 2 clips this video. So what you want to do is you want to cut the clip down and you want to find the bit where the character begins to turn blue. So you just want to use your arrow keys on your keyboard to move frames, and you just want to find where the character goes blue. Right there. What you want to do is you want to drag this all the way to your point right here. We're going to drag this on. Now because I've got an intro here, I'm going to like add a little bit before this so it like kind of fades in. So we're going to put this around here and drag it over here. So it looks like this with my intro. So it goes for a kill. Actually, I'm going to make that a bit longer actually. Pull it around here. Now we're going to go to the bit where it turns blue. We're going to place a marker. Right there, we're going to place a marker. We're going to turn the clip down at the end as well so it doesn't go on for too long. Now we want to sync the music up to this. So we want to find a bit on the music where the waves go up, like here. And we just want to drag this to the marker and then it will be synced up. You just want to zoom, I'm zooming in by like scroll wheel on my mouse. And you just want to line this up right here so it'll look like this. So it's synced up. Now you just want to drag this to the start. And I usually fade it in a little bit, like right here. Now time for the velocity. You want to zoom in on your clip right here. Go to your marker. Right click to insert / remove envelope and go to velocity. Now on your marker right here, you just want to right click and add point, or you can just double click and it will add a point. You want to go 5 frames back, double click, it will add a point. Go to the original marker and go 5 frames forward. Wait, I messed up there. 5 frames forward, place a point. Now you want to set this last point here to 50% velocity, set the middle point to 200%, and you just want to leave that other point 100%. Now you want to split this clip in the middle, right here. This is what it will look like. So you see it's slowed down right there. Now what I want to do is, to make this clip a bit better, I want to add like a fade effect before I get the kill. So I'm going to go around here and just split. Now you want to go to video effects tab and you want to get brightness and contrast. You just want to drag the normal one on right here onto the bit before the kill. Now you want to press this little clock button here to animate it. Now you want to go all the way to the end of the clip and you just want to make this darker like this, so it will look like this right now. So you see it starts fading dark to the end of a clip, and then we can get a kill and goes light again. You don't have to add this, but I think it just makes it look a little bit better so the video isn't as plain. Now for the effects on the actual kill. First effect you want to always add is shake. Now you're going to want to just copy my settings for shake. Here you go. Okay, so those are all of my shake settings right here. Now what you want to do is, you want to animate. You want to go around halfway in the clip right here. And you just want to set that amplitude to 0, like that. So this means that the shake won't go on for the whole clip, it will start to like fade away, like after you get the kill. This is what it looks like. Now next effect we're going to add is flicker. Just want to drag the default on right here. Now you want to do the same thing again. You want to click the animate right here. Go to the same place as a shake. Then you just want to drag this down to 0. There's a bit of a flicker effect after you get the kill. Always remember to save as well, because Vegas crashes quite a lot. Now the last effect we're going to add for this clip is S_glow. Right here. Now you just want to copy these settings that I've got right here. You can also change the colour of your glow if you want. I just like the pink. Then you want to animate the brightness right here. Animate the brightness right here. You want to go into the middle of the clip. Same place as a shake, and set the brightness to 0. This is what it will look like now. So you got a nice pink glow effect after the kill. Now for the sound effects, you want to add another audio track down here. And you want to put in the bass swoosh, which I'm going to leave in the description. And what you want to do is you want to get like the middle of the bass swoosh to like line up with the marker, so like around here. This looks pretty good. So you hear that in the background. Just makes it sound a little bit better. So this is what we got so far. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to move on to the second clip. Right here. You want to cut this down again. So this clip has black bars on it because it's got stretch res. To get rid of the black bars, you just want to right click, go to switches and go untick maintain aspect ratio. This is what you do if your clips are in stretch res. Now what we want to do is we want to go to the song and we want to mark out the next beat drop. Alright, so this one's pretty good. So we're just going to mark this. Now we want to go to where the player turns blue again. Right there. Now we want to drag the clip to our point right here. Then we're going to drag this over to the marker. And then we'll drag this back. So this syncs the clip up right here. Okay. And we're going to add a transition, so we're just going to bring this back. We're going to pull this back over the previous clip. And we're going to bring this one over as well, so it's kind of like faded. Now we're going to go to transitions. From here we want to go to BCC swish pan. Here we go. Just copy these settings, and then this is what it will look like. It's got a nice little transition there. Alright, now we're going to move on to the effects and velocity for this clip. Alright, so a little trick is, you can go onto the previous clip on the second part of it, and you want to click copy. And then go to your clip here, on the marker, split the clip. And on the second bit, right click, selectively paste event attributes. And then go to video event velocity. And then just paste a velocity from a previous clip. So this is just a really easy way to do velocity, so you don't have to zoom in and then like add velocity yourself each time. You can literally just copy and paste it. See how easy that was? Now we're just going to split this around here so the clip isn't too long. I'm just going to show you like another build up effect you can do. So I'm just going to split the clip around here. Going to go back to video effects. We're going to go to flicker. s_flicker right here. Just drag the normal one on. Just set this to 0, and then we're going to animate it. Drag this to the end of a clip, and you want to go around 0.5. Then it will allow this. It's got a nice flicker effect, like building up to the kill. Now on the actual kill, we're going to do the same as before. We're going to use a flicker once again. We're going to animate this. We're going to go around the middle, drag it to 0. We're going to get S-shake as well. Do the exact same thing. Animate the amplitude once again, drag it to 0. We're going to use this one right here. Once again, animate, and you want to set this one to 0. And then this is what we've got. Also, something else I forgot to show you on the previous clip, when you're doing like the fade effect, you can also go down a bit right here and split the audio like a bit before you get the kill, and make sure to split it here as well when the fade effect's going on, and go to the FX bit on your audio. You want to go to resonant filter, and now what you want to do is you want to change the frequency at top to around 1000. Anywhere from 500 to 1000 sounds pretty good. So this just muffles the audio a little bit. Right here. Just adds a bit more to the video, so it's just not as plain. Wow. Also want to lower this bass swoosh a little bit, like -2 or something. So now what we want to do is we want to add a bass swoosh to this second bit here. So we just want to go to a previous one, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. So just copy and paste it. Just line this up again. So now this is what we've got. It's a bit laggy. So there you go guys, that's just a basic tutorial on how to edit highlight videos. Okay, so guys, one last thing I forgot to show you at the start of the video. It's my project settings. Just want to copy these project settings right here. This is so you get 1440p on YouTube. Just want to make sure you disable resample as well. Just click OK. And now we're going to render this video. So to render, you just want to hold down left click, like somewhere. Hold down left click and then cross, and it'll create this. And drag this to the beginning. So this highlights everything, like right here. Then you want to go to File, Render As. You want to go to Magix AVC, MP4 right here. And you can just choose any of the random ones, and then you just want to make sure you copy these settings I've got right here. And then you just want to save it at the top, so you've always got the template saved. And then you just want to name it whatever you want, and then you can click render, and then that's your video done. Alright guys, that's going to be all for this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And if you want a more advanced tutorial, just make sure to get 15 likes on this video, and I'll be sure to make one for you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.